Good morning, children. Yesterday I have discussed qualitative properties. There are four qualitative properties. The first one is a relative lowering of vapor pressure. Then the second, elevation in boiling point. The third, depression in freezing point. And the fourth, osmotic pressure. So, children, today I will discuss at first relative lowering of vapor pressure. You know, it is the ratio of lowering in vapor pressure to vapor pressure of pure solubility. Children, assume a situation. Take pure water filled in a beaker. Definitely pure water has its standard vapor pressure P0, and when we add some of the salt NaCl or sugar as a non-volatile solute, it is okay. Then definitely the rate of vaporization will be diminished, will be depressed. It is okay. Why it is so? Because the surface means the non-volatile solute particles will be contaminated throughout the water, means solvent part, right? Means when non-volatile solute particles disperse throughout the solvent pure water, this situation will decrease the rate of vaporization, and ultimately now the vapor pressure will be lower as compared to that of the previously we have been observed. So this factor we are going to discuss here in the term of relative lowering of vapor pressure. It is the ratio of lowering in vapor pressure to vapor pressure of your solvent. It is okay. The relative lowering in vapor pressure of solution containing non-volatile solute is equal to mole fraction of solute in the solution. Means the relative lowering of vapor pressure of a solution having non-volatile solute is equal to the mole fraction of non-volatile solute. It is okay. Let me consider here the standard vapor pressure of solvent is P0A, correct? And after getting dissolved non-volatile solute, the vapor pressure becomes PA. It is okay. Then the relative lowering in vapor pressure will be considered P0A minus PA upon P0A. This term is considered to be relative lowering of vapor pressure, and this relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of B, means mole fraction of the non-volatile solute. It is okay. So we can still this formula by putting the value of mole fraction in the terms of mole, means P0A minus PA upon P0A is equals to NB, means number of moles of solute upon total number of moles, means of solute in solvent. So P0A minus PA upon P0A is equals to NB upon Na plus NB. It is okay. Let me consider a situation if the solution is very dilute. If the solution is very dilute, means the number of moles of solute, non-volatile solute, are considered to be very less in quantity, means NB is more less as compared to that of the Na. This is the greater amount and this is the lesser amount. We can write for a very dilute solution, the number of moles of solute, non-volatile solute, are considered to be very less in comparison of number of moles of solvent. Means NB is lesser than that of the very less than that of the number of moles of solvent. Then we can write this formula in this way. Relative lowering of vapor pressure P0A minus PA upon P0A is equals to number of moles of B upon number of moles of A. because in the solution already we have been ignored the number of moles of P, means MB already we have ignored due to very dilute solution. So overall the formula will be P naught A minus PA upon P naught A. This is relative lowering, and this will be finally number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solvent. So this is bifurcated here, means number of moles of solute in solvent are written as P naught A minus P upon P naught A is equals to WB, means weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute into molecular weight of solvent upon molecular, this should be WA, means we are writing here, here it is WA. Yeah, means weight of solute upon molecular weight of solvent, and goes to class multiple molecular weight of solvent upon weight of solvent. So ultimately by this formula we can calculate the molecular mass, molecular weight of unknown non-volatile solute by putting the value of MB here. MB is equals to WB upon WA into MA into P naught A upon P naught A minus P PA. So this is the reverse value of the reciprocal of the relative lowering, and these are the position, means by this way means we can get MB by putting these values on WB upon WA into MA into P naught A upon P naught A minus PA, means this formula is used to find the molecular weight of an unknown solute dissolved in the given solvent. So WB, WA, the mass of solute and solvent, MB and MA, molecular weight of the solute and solvent, and quite easily you may calculate the numericals. If any ask, suppose such gram of substance having molecular formula this, you can calculate the molecular weight of directly given molecular weight dissolved in this one, and ultimately remember this formula, remember this derivation and discussion. So the first colligative property is relative lowering of vapor pressure, and the next we will discuss elevation in boiling point, then depression in freezing point. Okay, thank you very much.